Okay, so I've now gotten to where a double has lost all of its precision. That is not acceptable for some sorts of applications, especially financial applications. Now, a float is more than unacceptable. If you're using a float to store money or any sort of financial information,
You should
that is not
you
good.
you should be shot. Yes.
Yeah, it isn't good at all. Doubles, on the other hand, are better, but ooh, we did get a really good question that I'm going to talk about later. Doubles are better, but only twice as good. And they still result in issues with financial applications. That's why with .NET, Microsoft introduced one more floating type value, or one more floating point type, sorry, that has double the precision of a double. And no, that's not called a quadruple, it's called a decimal. We'll talk about the M suffix very soon. So now we have a float that is being rounded, a double that is being rounded, but our decimal is allowed that many significant digits. And let's try to break a decimal. Oh, come on. I broke the compiler. Okay, we broke the decimal. Let's add one more significant digit. Here we go. Here's the example I want. So, in this case, we have a float, a double, and a decimal. Notice how now they're all being rounded, unfortunately. But this is acceptable for even financial uh, software, this
Because
amount
if
of
you've got
precision.
that kind of money, you don't care. You just don't care.
Yeah, I'm so tempted to count how many zeros there are, but there's
No.
probably more money in the world.